Wind warning. Issued at Sunday 5 p.m. December 22, 2024. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Where? Powell River. When? This morning to early this evening. Remark. A strong Pacific frontal system is approaching Vancouver Island this morning. Strong and gusty southeast winds will pick up this morning, reach peak strength through the afternoon hours, and then diminish this evening. Hashtag. High winds may toss loose objects or cause tree branches to break. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to beakstorm@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using hashtag BCStorm.